Let us continue to the number of patterns. So find the next number in the sequence. So we have here for number 1, 3, 8, 13, 18, and 23. No? So what is the next number? So kung mapapansin natin, for this sequence, the difference between each term, so kung i-subtract natin to, wait lang. Kung isusubtract natin yung 3 minus 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, 13 minus 8 is 5, So, lahat ng sequence dyan, isubtract natin 3 minus 8 backward, 13 minus 8, 18 minus 13, 23 minus 18. So, lahat is equal to 5, So, paano natin ma-predict yung next sequence? So, kung mapapansin natin, yung difference na 5, pwede natin siyang i-add. 3 plus 5 is magiging 8, 8 plus 5 magiging 13. So, 13 plus 5 magiging 18. So, dito, basta consistent yung pattern. Actually, yung pattern is kahit ano. Kung may nakikita kayong mga bagay na hindi ko charot. Kung may nakikita kayong ibang klaseng pattern, hindi yung mga bagay na hindi ko nakikita, ha? Baka iba na yan. Kung may naiisip o may nakikita kayo diyang ibang pattern which is consistent na repetitive ways, basta paulit-ulit or pare-parehong na pattern, okay yan, kahit hindi ka mag-plus, pwede mag-minus, kung i-square mo, kung i-divide mo, basta pare-pareho lang yung result, pare-pareho yung process, so pwede yan, Iba-iba naman kasi yung pag-solve. Sa mathematics, iba-iba yung pag-solve, As long as tama yung process mo, hindi magic, okay? So, okay yan. Okay. So, dito, So, 23 plus 5, so magiging 28. Next, number 2. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So, ganito, Ito yung sinasabi ko na pwedeng mag-iba-iba yung solution nyo. So, pwedeng mag-square ka every sequence, mag-square ka, or pwede ring isusubtract mo, tapos pag may nakita kang pattern, proceed ka sa next sequence, kung ano yung process mo. So, ganito, dito sa number 2, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. So, yung una, it can be written as 1 squared. For the first sequence, ito. Halimbawa, ito. First sequence, second sequence, third sequence, fourth sequence. So, yung sinasabi dito, yung unang process or unang technique niya is pwede yung first sequence which is 1 raised to 2 para makuha mo yung result na 1. Next, sa second sequence, 2 naman yung ilalagay mo raised to 2. Or pwede ring the number of sequence kung pang ilan raised to 2. So, since dito sa 2 times 2 is, nakuha niya yung 4. Sa third sequence, 3 naman yung lalagay natin dyan, tapos raised to 2. Kaya, magiging 9. Sa pang-apat na sequence, 4 raised to 2. So, 4 times 4 is 16. And proceed, 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. So, how about the next? So, since 6 dito yung last, so, proceed natin sa 7 raised to 2. Tama? So, yung last sequence is 7 raised to 2, which is 49. The other technique, by using the difference, so, sinubtract muna niya yung, mga sequence, So, backward. So, 4 minus 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, 16 minus 9 is 7, 25 minus 16 is 9, 36 minus 25 is 11. And then, mapapansin nyo dito sa result, consistent siya na add numbers. Pag sinabing add numbers, yung may baga pa niyo, may sobra, So, di ba, dalawa yan, even at saka add. Yung even, yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yung add naman, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yung may sobra, So, since dito, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So, dapat 13 yung next na difference. So, i-add lang natin 36 plus 13. Pareho lang naman yan dito. 1 plus 3 magiging 4. 4 plus 5 magiging 9. So, the same din dito. 36 plus 13 is equals to 49. Okay?